So we're going to learn how the multiplicative inverse works when we're solving equations. So in this one, we have 9/4 x equals 10. Our goal is to figure out what the value of this x right here is in order to make the relationship true. And by true, I mean equal. What's the number we're multiplying 9/4 by, where we in fact get 10 as our answer? So what we're going to be trying to do, and how we know that will be done, is that we have this by itself. We know what the value of 1x is. So this is where our multiplicative inverse comes into play. We know that what 9/4 means is that we're multiplying our x value by 9, and we're taking that answer and dividing it by 4. So this means the same thing as 9 times x divided by 4. So if we want to get the x by itself down to 1x, we're going to undo those operations. So what operation undoes multiplying by 9? Dividing by 9. So we're going to divide by 9. What operation undoes dividing by 4? Multiplying by 4. So that's why multiplying by the multiplicative inverse is how you get your variable on its own. So notice 4 times 9 is 36, and 9 times 4 is 36. Any number divided by itself is 1, so that's why this gets us down to 1x. However, whatever we do to one side of the equal sign, we have to do to the other to keep it balanced. So since we multiplied this side by 4/9, we're also going to have to multiply our side by 10 by 4/9. So we multiply our numerators. 10 times 4 is 40. And then we divide by our denominator, which is 9. This is not going to be a whole number, so we can leave it as an improper fraction, which is 40 over 9. Or we could change it into a mixed number. I know that 9 goes into 40 a total of 4 times. And that 9 times 4 is 36. So that would leave 4 left over. So I would have 4 and 4/9. So the way you would check is you would go back and plug in this number or this number in for your x value up here and make sure that it works. So off to the side, it's going to be squished, but let's try it. If we do 9/4 times 40/9, we want to make sure we in fact get an answer of 10. So I know that 9 times 40 is going to be 360. And I know 4 times 9 is 36. So if I divide 360 by 36, 36 goes into 360. Sure enough, a total of 10 times. So we found the answer for x that makes it true, which is 40/9, or 4 and 4/9.